we are unboxing this, the Cricut Maker 3. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside, and make our very first cut. I'm also gonna talk about what sets this machine, the Cricut Maker 3, apart from its predecessors. So if you wanna learn about what's in this box, stick around. I've got the full tutorial coming right up. Hey there, I'm Sarah. You are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. I also share a whole lot of Cricut projects. And today I am unboxing my newest machine, the Cricut Maker 3. We are gonna open this up, see what's inside, and talk about the differences between this and some of the other Cricut machines out there. Now, before we do that, if you wanna learn what a Cricut is, check out this video right here. This is going to walk you through all the basics of what a machine like this does. So without further ado, let's open the box. So inside the box, we have a little envelope from Cricut here with some basic instructions and a little piece of smart vinyl to get you started. Further down, we have more materials. We've got some iron-on, some transfer tape, some black vinyl, and some sticker paper. Now with the machine, you're going to get a power cord and a USB cord. You can connect that cord directly to your computer. You can also connect it to a tablet. And the Maker is equipped with Bluetooth, so once everything is set up, you can run this fully on Bluetooth. So we're going to remove that piece of foam, and here are where your tools are housed. It comes with a fine point blade to get you started, but you can use up to 12 different tools with the Maker 3. You've also got a lot of storage compartments here to store some of your various tools, keeps everything in one place. So let's turn it on and head over to Design Space to get it set up. Just going to click here on New Product Setup and follow the prompts. It really is that simple. Cricut makes this really accessible. Follow the prompts, get your machine set up. Now, if you're wondering what you should cut the first time, you can scroll down here to Cricut Maker 3 Projects for Beginners. Great place to start. I'm going to design some really simple labels for my pantry. So on a blank canvas, I'm going to choose the text tool and just type out the different labels I want. Snacks, cereal, rice, pasta, all kinds of different things. When I've got everything sized appropriately, I'm going to go over and click Make It. And I'm going to choose to cut without a mat because I'm going to try one of those smart material sheets that came with the Maker. Here I'm going to adjust where the placement of these are. You don't have to do that. That's just my personal preference so that I can transfer them easier. Now I select my material, smart vinyl, and Cricut tells me just what I need to do. Now I head back over to my machine, push the button that is flashing, and the Cricut is going to measure out the material, make sure it's long enough for the cut, and then when that little play button flashes, I'm going to press that and it'll start cutting. So now that it's cut, it is time to weave this and apply it to where we want it. So let me introduce you to a few tools that are going to be really helpful. This trimmer is really great for smart vinyl because we want to be able to cut a nice clean line so we can use the rest of the vinyl. Then I can save this piece. It has the right width to go through my Maker, so I can save this for my next project. A couple more tools that are really helpful to have. This is a scraper tool. I like the little scissors, and a weeding tool. These are going to come in really handy. You can buy these all in a pack. You're also going to need that sheet of transfer tape that came with the Maker when we unboxed it. So let's weave this. So let's talk about the Maker compared to the other generations of machines. This is the Explorer Air 2. There is an Explorer 3 out there that you can get as well, but let's compare these two right now. The Maker can cut different materials than the Explorer can. We can cut thicker materials, you can use a rotary blade, you can cut bonded fabric, you just have a lot more options for cutting. The Maker can cut smart materials without a mat, meaning you can cut long, continuous cuts without purchasing a larger mat. And as we saw, the Maker is a lot faster. It seems to be quieter, quicker, and it just gets your projects done faster. The Joy over here is a machine kind of in and of itself. This is a cute little machine that you don't need a craft room for. This is the kind of machine that you can put in a little carrying case. In fact, this is where I keep my Joy. It just comes in a little case and you can take it wherever you want to go. The Joy is great for making cards, writing out some quick labels. You can put pens in there, maybe making a quick vinyl decal. Small, quick projects are awesome with the Joy. I actually use this machine the most for birthday cards and other small projects. The Explorer 2 and now the Explorer 3 are a great price if you're ready to get into a cutting machine, but maybe you don't need to cut all the materials that the Maker can go. If you are a die-hard crafter, you want to cut all the things at a great speed, the Maker 3 is the way to go. So we unboxed the brand new Cricut Maker 3 and we made our first project. This machine is a lot faster than previous generations and it can cut without a mat. The smart vinyl loads in and cuts beautifully. Making labels for my pantry was quick and easy. So, what questions do you have about Cricut? Head down to the comments section and let me know what questions you have. Are you ready to go out and make a decision on which Cricut to buy? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next simple, inspiring project. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.